Wega mutegeri nonto ba kuthura kurumira ntito cietu tha mugwanja inkugwate ugeni mbitagwa Christine Wanjeru tukembereria ntitoni cietu mukaririgitie wa arima majani tharakanithi na nkinyagia Meru niwe Kanyaru Muriki nekirite arimi mama majani wirane ati bonus ya mwaka uyu ikethirwa iri imbega ne baria amerite matika makwino ntubwa ithurano iria ciitite nontu kwina mutaratara uria uri bo uria wikirite montu monde lainini aruga mbundi ya erekithia majani ni abutire kwaraniria wega na aguri ma majani na kwina thoko imbega thaino guno ntu grade ya majani ya arimi mama ni imbega nkuruki na rombete arimi mama kwithirwa makithurana wega kiri kithurano kikwirigirwa mwishoni wa mweri uyu.
Urimi bwa majani kaunti ya Meru na Tharakanithi ni bukinyite ikinya mbere kuguanithenwe na mianka ya ugatene bo buri kuringana mukarigiti wa jo Muriki Kanyaru uria kuwa kinya kuri na wirigiro bwa bonus ijite kwithirwa iri ya iguru untubuka gwiria arimi
turutonya mbeca cia mayani chetete kinama na factory nyingi ndene area zone 7 ciarite mbeca itio kinya chiringi 30 bonus na turutonya mwaka yo mbere factory cionthe ndene zone 7 ciarire over 30 shillings mwaka yo eli cia kinya tu cionthe ringi ciare over 40 shillings ki bonus mbeca cia mweri ciongo twatirimire cia chiringi 16 na turutonya ituongelere cia kinya chiringi 21 na twikuria rianga bandu iturongelere ringi cia kinya 25 chilingi enda kurikania murimi twitonya 2021 kwanza iberinya uti special bonus ka kirumi na twikuya bandu itwalolerie twana murimi na uri twikirumi kiu bonus ye mwaka yo twitite kinya yo itwiririte ikethere bui na kira twira murimi rionthe tumwira o mwaka turendo kinya mbere ku kinya bonus ye mwaka yo itwiririte there bui kirira ari ku mwaka yo 3
mukarigiti uju aritariria ati ni kwithirite kuri na ngwataniro atigatika arimi na arungamiri tabo ma director are gukujiritwe witina mbere bo buingi kuguanithenu na tene kerekano uthondeki bwa barabara cia matura kwagirithia utungata ibande na factory ne na kinya guswira majani ja thoko
itukwenda wakisha factory cionthe chikuthithia kintu kiitwa orthodox machines chiwikira orthodox machines kwichiekirite already michimikuru ndikirite kionyo ibarekire barua kwa njia kuruta ngui imenti benyo itukwenda kinya factory ingi ikinye tali riu chikira machine yu kenda tumba kuthia mayani orthodox kenda tuniani chia competition ki mayani aya yangi tukuthia ya CTC bando tu wau tutumaira machine yu otuthie kinya green tea kinya yo it's a part of diversification kinya yo ikaumbothethia na reduce kuinya na kwa mayani thokone tuthithitie mayani ya type imwe kenda yomba kuona mbeca nukumea rimwe ya tukuthithia tha yomba kuthuraya na mbeca ringi orthodox kethera na mbeca kwa murimi kila mwaka kethera na utethuka mayani yawe no tuye na thoko nyingira ya wita kingi kira tukuthithia itukweria kwaraniria na buyers betu na raome na ukiyakululia thoko ira twenda cha mayani mostly twenda cha Pakistan ni turaira mayani yara mainge bru twina Egypt, tuina Russia, tuina Afghanistan na nthi wingi cia Asia. No lolia nthi inyingi ci unstable muno, cina mantu ya maingi ya andwa na yangi. Kou itukwenda bandu kuria thoko ingi ire tina mantu ya andwa na mbi, nontu thoko ire thine ire ya mayani ya cia thoko rimwe twache na tukwendia, kou itukwenda tonya nthi ingi ci stable ya US, tukwenda tonya UK, itukwenda tonya nthi nyingi cia Europe. Ntu kinya cionthe ni kunyuma yani kinya China itukwenda tonya ku population ya China yingi muno tukiakulo tukawata thoko ere China utirio mayani yetu ya Kenya na ya murimio o munini ya cia mbeca ntu China ni kunyuma yani ama ingi muno ku kira nkerarimi ntu tukutiria miaka yetu 3 itwitite kurene ringi kabera pakendo kachwa ibalwelie Italia rira sekta yetu ya mayani ringite ntu botongeria bora boiguo.
Dennis Mugendi Weru Njuma Ijembe kaunti ya Meru.
Minista wa Mount Mawathani wa matura kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi niwe muthini karangi na bete akarima Tharaka Nithi wirane wa gukanda na bururu na nkinyagia kuthiria nchobi indegeni watho mwena uyu aruga mwankatha ino nchobi inne nyibite bururu na nkinyagia wendie wa nchobi Tharaka Nithi wa nyiba na bara kuga nkinyagia ene nyomba ishiendagia nchobi ino itikurugura mathaa matikinyite onturia kuga ni tagaria rirega mwankatha ino kiuga kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi yambiririe mubango uyu wa kuthiria nchobi ona mbere ya mubango wa munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua wa kuthiria nchobi Kenya wambiriria onturia kuga nuretete maciara manene.
Kuringana na minista wa wathani wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Muthini Karangi, thirikari ino ikinyite matagaria maraja kirikurwa na nchobi ndege iwatho kuma kagita karaba ambirie ndoa ino mwanka muthiru. Muthini ariuga ati thirikari ino ya kaunti nio yambirie ndoa ino kinya mbere munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua ambanirie nio nyumani ontubura akuga ibupete kaunti ino igweta Kenya ngima.
Usikie maneno ya bwana Deputy President, maneno ya kupigana na pombe. His Excellency the Governor of Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki alianza vita kali sana hapa last year, na watu walikuwa wanaona kama hawezi shinda hiyo vita, lakini aling'ang'ana. We had so many frustrations kutoka kwa judiciary, lakini mwisho tulishirikiana na tukapambana nayo. By the time tufike December, Tharaka Nithi hata ukienda Sagana, wakiwa Sagana huko na President Muthomi Njuki gavana wetu ndiye alikuwa the best kupigana na maneno ya pombe haramu, maneno ya bangi na hiyo miadarati yote.
Nareganite na baraba igito bakiuga ati kurintere itigere na wendia bwa nchobi no ndege iwatho akiuga ati rwaria ru muthemba uju irwa wakegi utongoria bwa kaunti ino.
Gakwende gathona bwatwire kurugura mbaro kire Gakwende Tharaka Nithi twatwire kurugura mbaro kire waache kuaibisha serikali ya mheshimiwa Governor Muthomi Njuki na serikali ya mheshimiwa President William Ruto. And we thank the national government kwa sababu ya kujoin hands na county government ili tuweze kupigana na hii janga yenye inamaliza generation yetu.
Ariga bakathi mbere na ndoa ino gutigira ati kinya bakai barabatigite kwendia nchobi ino bakibithaga bagwikirwa mpini. Kiripotera Weru Njuma kuma gitigo bunge ya Chukaigamba Ng'ombe Mbita wa Samuel Gashina.
Muthenya wa umuthi ni ntuku ya gukongoira kana ga Afrika na moronto wa mambura ma mwaka uyu wa 2024 na gutigira mwana wonde na kuona kithomo ni kenda kubota kutharia njota ya wina ni mambura maria maruthiritwe entere cia makengi mwena wa Mwimbi muthenya wa umuthi.
Our teachers, we are very happy to be with you here today.
In Marasam County kusherehekea the Day of the African Child ama siku ya watoto wa Kiafrika. Hii ni siku ambayo ilikuwa set or it has been set by African Unity tunaitumianga ku highlight the achievements as far as children are concerned and also to highlight the challenges that they may face. Isiku it is supposed to be commemorated on 16th of June. But due to some logistical issues, because the day falls on a Sunday, the organizing committee ikaamua ile major issue kabisa ambayo ina affect watoto katika Tharaka Nithi, it stems from child neglect. When there's child neglect, inaleta mambo ingine sana. Itazaa mambo mengine sana, such that we will have if a child is neglected, you find defilements happening, you will find maybe even child marriages happening, and such things. But the major issue is neglect, which stems from either drug abuse, family separation, such issues. So we are trying to combat those issues by raising a lot of publicity office, and I would say like the last financial year, our officers dealt with 15 cases. I'm not saying there are only 15 cases. As I have said, these are mostly detected at the hospitals. But those ones that passed our offices were around 15. and even 15 are too many. And I would say even one of the reasons that the organizing committee kwa nini ilichagua hii area is because it noted there hata kama ni sporadic that 1-2 cases, so that we raise awareness so that the community partners to finish these cases.
So many of us need this one before we even turn 5.
Thirikari igatigĩra gũtĩ muntu wothe ũrĩa kwenda gũcua wĩra nthĩ cia nja akethagĩrwa akiwa mbia ciawe, na nĩ gũkũrũkĩra kana kumania na kambuni mwanya mwanya iria ciethagĩrwa igĩcuĩra antu wĩra, na nĩ baria gũkethirwa na mĩtaratara ya kũvingia untu ũyũ na kũringana na mwerekithia wa mauntu ma mitandao ũkinyanĩria na kĩrĩ ministry ya mauntu ma nthĩ cia nja nĩwe Ambassador Isaiah Kabira augĩte ministry ya uruti wĩra ikethirwa ikiunga maori kiri kambuni ino nikenda gutigira guticio no imwe ikethirwa ikira antu na mwakari kana mishi irekethirwa igicuira ciana ciao wĩra ni ikurwa ithirwe kiri bambia kiri kambuni iria magwitikia nkuruki.
Any recruiter who is here is registered by the Labour Department, and in the last few years, few months actually, there has been a big effort to orient and to edit and find a way who are the rogue agents. And I know the Department for Labour has deregistered a number of so-called rogue agents, but I appeal to those who are dealing with the agents, please ensure that this agency is recognized and registered by government. And we also know there are a lot of online fake jobs that are out there. Before you commit yourself to making a payment of any funds, try and establish that that job exists for real. One of the simplest ways to check whether a job exists is if you see somebody forwarding you an email pretending to be representing a government organization. If you see that the email address is a private email address, already that's a warning sign that that is fake. So always ascertain that the emails that you are receiving are genuine from people who have job opportunities. We know that there are job opportunities out there, and we're here to empower them through information, by guiding them to see what are the possible pathways of getting jobs out there. We are especially very happy that we also have a number of TVETs who are exhibiting so as to see how can we align the courses that we are teaching in our universities to the demand that is out there. We are also here with a number of recruiters who are recognized by the Labour Department to ensure that people are empowered with enough information about what is needed to get a job out there.
One of the things that I need to tell them is to encourage them so that they can get some skills. They can go to the TVETs, they can go to universities, they can go to colleges, at least to have good papers. Because it will be pointless for you to really aspire to go to abroad and you have no good papers. Most of people have gone out without good papers for jobs outside the country, and they have been deported again. So I want to encourage them to take advantage of the colleges that are around, the TVETs that are around, so that they can get skills. And when they get skills, the opportunities are there. We have gone to several booths around, and we know the job opportunities that are there. So I want to encourage the youth, whether they have been jobless for long, it doesn't matter. In the fullness of time, things get better and beautiful. So they go and apply according to how they have learned today, so that at the end of the day, we are talking about seeking for a job that you have applied for, other than seeking for a job that you have not applied for, because jobs will not come seeking for you. You are the one as a youth person to go and seek for this employment, seek for this job. And you can only do that also with good paper.
Atoke kanyaga kunogoka banini.
na baku ni botoro baruju ritana mwana waku wega bwa gwikaga muthitho ari umunini kenda ombaga kubangira ruju rwawe na Solution Sacco Hippo Junior account baritane ati ochumuni yonde ni agitumi na gwikaga muthitho rionde ni bobwega ni untubo matuko janyu mene muthitho jukabatetheria gukura ni twitikaire free internal standing order na nkuruki turi na fande ya twana na jangi jama ingi rugura Hippo Junior account kirerwangirwe turura ria kwi nagwe na wigwatire Hippo Junior Piggy Bank utheri kenda kuthongomia wikibwa muthithu kugwata nteto nkuruki turingire thimu gukurukira 0728787972 kana uriongire mutandao wetu www.solutionsacco.com. Solution Sacco, your ultimate financial partner.
No twiro kithangikagwo ni mirimo mwanya mwanya na ndiuga kwa nkorokairi Mokeo Nutritional Herbal Clinic turiaja nontu bwako tutiritaga murimo jo sukari na mieri 3 high blood pressure na mieri 3 arthritis na mieri 3 low libido na ntuko 3 na thinewe kathira buru ironda bya kiu alangisha mithemba yonthe thina ya mugongo kwaga mwana kiri antu akana arume na mirimo ingi kathumba aja miru obisi sheto ire kalkia akwina nduka inene Magunas ire yari uchumi na turugura kwambiria thaigire sharuki iri mwanka 10 muciogoro maoa turisa Macloch nyuma ya Ken Silva na no turiongere ntuko shionde cha Jumatatu na obisi sheto iruguraga kwambiria thaigire sharuki iri mwanka 10 muciogoro nkuruki gwatania na dagitari o munene mutaramu Njei Mburu ntuko shionde cha Jumaine kwambiria thaigire na ndaika 50 aje kwa Weru TV kumenya mantu nkuruki araniria na dagitari o munene mutaramu Njei Mburu gukurukira 0721 640 369 0721 640 369 Mokeo Nutritional Herbal Clinic tunatibu Mungu anaponya.
Wapenzi wa kipindi cha Neno la Neema na watazamaji wa Weru TV, ungana naye Askofu Michael Wanderi wa kanisa la CFF mjini Kiambu katika Weru TV akikuletea Neno la Neema litakalohuisha maisha yako.
Hakuna kurudi nyuma, utafurahia kazi ya mikono yako. Na wewe ambao umezungushwa kotini kwa miaka, Mungu akupiganie katika jina la Yesu Kristo. Wewe pia ambao umenyang'anywa vitu zako, umenyang'anywa shamba, umenyang'anywa gari, Mungu akupiganie katika jina la Yesu Kristo.
Kipindi hiki cha Neno la Neema kitakujia siku ya Jumapili kuanzia saa 2 hadi saa 3 asubuhi.
Mwezi huu wa Mei, changamka na StarTimes. Tunaleta joto na channels mpya na shows mpya kwa ajili yako. Chagua bouquet yako na uwe connected. Enjoy magic na adventure zaidi kwenye Kili Channel.
Oh man, this is gonna be awesome.
Ni sherehe zaidi kwa wapenzi wa spoti, wrestling, basketball na football.
A goal to send a message.
Lipia subscription yako uwe connected. Guswa hisia na drama na telenovela freshi, movie kali, documentaries, mziki na lifestyle channel. Changamka na StarTimes.
Let's get ready to
download StarTimes on app kwa burudani kemkem wakati wowote popote ulipo. StarTimes, furahia maisha kidijitali.
no kubanga gweta kuongera kithomo gyaku nthiguruna ya USA kana Canada. Ithiro iri undergraduate, accelerated nursing, masters, PhD kana kurutana America. Africa Airlift Initiative ibakumbithia gukinyania untu bubu. Nitwajanaga visa coaching, career guidance na motungata jange ja gitumi. Turingira thimu kurukira 0719 857 754 kana 0799 047 279. Riongera obishi yetu ira iri Nairobi, Muthaiga Square, Ntagaro ya Muthaiga Police Station, first floor, obishi namba 7 kana obishi ya Nkubu GM Plaza, second floor, obishi namba 3, Ntagaro ya Nkubu Police Station. Africa Airlift Initiative, success beyond borders.
Orengi nkugwate ogeni tukithie na mbere ni ati akari kuma ntere mwanya mwanya ciamara nimaumiretie na gutitanikiria makuga ni wagia wa uthie na mbere nterenu mari uria ni gitumikire ku atongoria maria mathurire na kura matithiritwe makibingia mawira ni mamengi maria methirwe makimanenkera ni baria makuri atongoria mama methirwe makiumiria na kumatethereria nontu barabara cia nterenu ni indhukangu na nkinyagia kwagia gwa stima makirombaga ona gavana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki kumatethia.
Akari ba matora mwanya mwanya kirigicigo mbunge kia Mara bariuga bo ibatiganirwe kiuthi na mbere kuma bakuthurana.
Gotote mbije mbetagwa wa Njomba lakini netolete thina daino kwegwa nkiari yao ndimoitena mwanki ne ndimojiega na bomba kolinga bukegwa kirira nikankuria atire twarurire kareke na bakuota batororambi njira kiarire bo nonto tiyo leukura jeto totomonenkera kaire
kuringana na akari baba bariuga thina nyingi cia kwao ciumania na mabarabara kuthi macibitari kana nkinya kwira into biao thokoni butwikite ontu bubumo kiugo gutwika barabara ciao itigukurukika
ndikuria atire mwashimio gakuota twakurirwe turoga twinjira thaino njira njwa ni mtu biene wengwa na mbesa jiae turekuria atire mwashimiwa daino mtu ona mulito tonto daino ndi mulito nyana ntiomba gwitia na njira ya kadangani
niyo gento kira kinduritie ni gutwika ati atongoria baba twadurire twaumaga nyomba 6 exactly mbere ya moneni ngirore twoya todiete kudura atongoria bari kwi baba niyo kanda makire muno mweru wa kenda ndari murito ndadiete kuria Magutuni district hospital level 5 tebu niyo ndakamatirwe na mugongo tene ndi mwajie nengo turwa ni mugongo ende mbekeretwa geturo
barabara obora bakira puti mbrinji etarorondekwa katokuria atiri twariwa ni mweri wa 8 akinya roje kuraura tutiona kunira mtu no arira akarutangua na iratu bara twarigirite tukwana njira ya gwika atia ya kurija twe bakamatera bikibiki
kiongera ria kairi bariuga runtu rwigi stima matura makwao maturagia mwindu baingi bao bagitura kumenamenia kiugo gutiethiritwe kuri na stima na batikomba kwibikira
ni twadurire MCA na twadura ngavana na MP na senate wetu after tukurikia na kudurana kwina makosa mamwe mbonete manene muno nontu iratariri
roje na ugwetu ni atutegire ni atwirire ni atwikira roje kareke ni kandra aturiagira na roje ro no tituriagira
umania na mama baugite ibwega kuririkanwa na atongoria bao baraba umbire kuthura kagita kathiru bagikaja kubaromba kura ria kairi
kwa gukura jieto kiro bakijiendaga next time ne batoletele stima tole tuone welo na ndarasa ya ilili totikwenda please anabeto todiko balota na yakadingido
kiripotera Weru TV kuma gicigo mbunge kia Mara bitagwa Martin Mugambi
Nwega nontu wako na kanya kurumira nteto cietu inkwendere wikendi imbega bitagwa Christine Wanjeru.